Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, unplug your Thermomix TM31 to ensure safety during the repair process. Next, carefully remove the base of the machine by unscrewing the 4 Phillips screws located at the corners. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base off, exposing the internal components of your Thermomix. Now, let's take a closer look at the wiring connected to the jar. Error 23 often indicates a problem with the jar sensor. Inspect the wiring for any visible damage or loose connections. If you notice any issues, you may need to replace the wiring harness. If you don't have the tools for this, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get expert help without any hassle. Once you've checked the wiring, it's time to clean the internal components. Use the soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside the machine. This is crucial for maintaining the performance of your Thermomix. After cleaning, locate the jar sensor. This small component is typically found near the motor. Ensure that it is securely connected and free from any obstructions. If you suspect it may be faulty, it's best to replace it. If you're unsure, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation to help you determine the best course of action. Once you have addressed the wiring and the jar sensor, it's time to reassemble your Thermomix. Carefully place the base back on and secure it with the 4 screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightened properly to avoid any future issues. Before plugging it back in, double-check that there are no leftover tools or screws inside the machine. Safety is paramount, and ensuring your workspace is clear will help avoid accidents. Now, you can plug in your Thermomix TM31 and test it. If the error persists, it may be time to consider further assistance. Remember, we offer a quote before repair, so you'll know the cost up front. No calls, no travel, we make it easy for you to get your device functioning smoothly again. In summary, if you've encountered error 23 on your Thermomix TM31, follow these steps: check the wiring, clean the internal components, inspect and replace the jar sensor if necessary, and reassemble the machine carefully. With the right tools and a little patience, you can resolve the issue effectively. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.